Good morning, children. Today we will continue with our lesson A Gift of Chappals. I have discussed with you that in this lesson a girl named Mridu, who was very young and lived with her grandmother and grandfather. One day she went to visit her aunt's home to meet her cousins. There her cousin named Ravi talked with her and gave instruction about he found a kitten. He told Mridu that it was a fine breed of cat and he gave a detailed account about that cat and her relatives. He said that the cat was the descendant of Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. Mridu and Meena both were smiled at his cooked up story. Cooked up story means बनाई हुई story. Here Ravi made his story. वो अपनी बनाई हुई story मृदु और मीना से कहता है. So now let's start. Mridu giggled. Think I am joking. Well, just wait. I will show you sometime. It's clear you don't know a thing about history. Haven't been to Mahabalipuram? Have you? He said mysteriously. I saw a statue of his Thathas, etc. Here Ravi said I saw means he saw a statue of Thathas. What is the meaning of Thatha, students? Thatha means grandfather in Tamil. In Tamil language, grandfather called Thatha. So Ravi said about Mahabalipuram and about Pallav kings, and he told that he saw the statue of their grandfather and their grandfather, etc. Fact is, Mahendran here is descended from that very same ancient cat, a close relative. Scientifically speaking, of none other than the lion. The Pallav lion, emblem of Pallav dynasty. Ravi went on walking around the bitterberry bush, waving a twig up and down, his eyes sparkling. This cat is a descendant of none other than the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat. जो रवि है वो पल्लव किंग के बारे में मीना और मृदु से बात करता है. वो बोलता है कि ये जो कैट है वो एंशायंट कैट है जो पल्लव किंग्स जब रूल करते थे उस टाइम की ये कैट है. सो यहाँ पे वो कैट के नज़दीक जाता है एंड उससे पॉइंट आउट करके बोलता है कि ये जो कैट है वो महाबलीपुरम ऋषि कैट्स की डिसेंडेंट है. एंड इफ आई मे जस्ट रिमाइंड यू, they worshipped cats in ancient Egypt. And Ravi told to Mridu and Meena. क्या बोलता है रवि? वो बोलता है कि मैं आपको याद दिला दूं कि जो वो पल्लव किंग्स थे वो इस कैट की पूजा करते थे, वर्शिप करते थे इन एंशायंट इजिप्ट. एंशायंट मीन्स प्राचीन, बहुत साल पहले की जो बात हो, प्राचीन बोलते हैं उसको एंशायंट इजिप्ट. How he loved the sound of his own voice. Meena and Mridu exchanged looks. What does that have to do with anything? Mridu demanded. Who? I am telling you, this cat is descended from the Egyptian cat god. No goddess, bastard, yeah, that's it. So, well, one of the descendants of that cat goddess was a stowaway in one of the Pallav ships and his descendant was the Mahabalipuram Rishi cat, whose descendant is. Ravi flourished his twig at Mahendran. Mahendran means that kitten which he found. MP Punnai here, and Ravi gave her short form named MP Punnai. Who? Ik, he shrieked, very pleased with himself. Mahendran looked up alarmed. He had just been sharpening his claws on the edge of the coconut shell. But worse than Ravi's awful been sharpening hook, it was a screech from the window. What a weird sound! Weird sound means, weird means strange, unknown. So he heard an unknown sound, a weird sound. If Mridu was startled, MP Punnai was frightened out of his wits. Head standing on end, he bounced up and scurried towards a bamboo tray of red chilies that had been set out to dry. Trying to hide beneath it, he tipped a few chilies over himself. Meow! He howled miserably. The screeching went on and on. What's that noise? said Mridu. जो आवाज़ आ रही थी, वो आवाज़ सुन के मृदु ने पूछा कि ये किसकी आवाज़ है? What's that noise? That's Lalli learning to play with violin, grunted Ravi. And Ravi answered her that that sound was the Lalli's, who is learning to play with the violin. She will never learn a thing. The music master just goes on playing like a train whizzing on and on, while Lalli's all the time derailing, cooing complete off track. So now here we have completed our part 1 of this lesson. We will start part 2 of this lesson in our next class. Thank you. Take care.